Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Sumalata the Mentor. Today topic is success. Success is something everyone talks about, everyone dreams of, and everyone chases. What does it really mean? Is it getting the highest marks, earning a lot of money, or becoming famous? While all of these can be forms of success, true success goes much deeper than that. Success is not a destination, it is a journey. It is built on hard work, consistency, and the courage to keep going even when things get difficult. Every successful person you admire has faced failure at some point. What makes them different is that they did not give up. They learned, improved, and kept moving forward. One important thing to remember is that success looks different for everyone. For one person, it might be become a doctor, for another. Thank you.